Everyone, this is Kiva Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video, ang Kai Kyle compilation. So, one sec, and then girl, let's start this reaction video. Alam ko marami sila atang mga bagong ganap. Ang Kai Kyle maraming ganap. So, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Sige nga, ulit-ulit naman ako sa reaction video. Wait, ano yon? Wait, what was that? Sandali. Nagkukulitan sila sa likod. Ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Just... Okay. Thank you so much, Kai. You're so sweet. Ay, taray. Dikit na dikit si Kai. Totoo ba? Oh! What was this? Music video? Oh my God, no way. Ay! Wait. No way. Nag-kiss sila? Hala siya. Jeez. Ay, tinan mo yung kamanggapi. Ang sexy ni Kai. Oh, I love the song. Oh, ginawan ko ng reaction video yung kanta ni Kyle. The titi that never disappoints. Masaya sila. Ako lang yung hindi. No, I mean, wala kasi akong love life, di ba? Don't get me wrong. Masaya naman ako for ano. Okay. Johnny. Ay, ito na may interview silang interview.
Perfect. So, tapos na yung interview. No, I just want to say congrats on everything so far, especially on your sobrang ganda ng reception. But since nasa mix tayo, fun lang tayo, so I'm just gonna push you on some questions. So we want to know, how's your Sinulog experience so far and yung past experiences nila rin?
As Cebuanos, by the way.
Yes.
Cebuana. Syempre,
Cebuana. Talaga bang in-emphasize? Charis.
I guess,
Talaga bang in-emphasize natin, ma'am?
Sinulog experience has always been the best fiesta for me. And,
Speaking out of non-bias,
yeah, not biased.
Non-biased.
Sinulog is the best fiesta in the whole
Mother of all festival ate, tama ba?
And I guess it's more special now because I get to experience it with the Roja Cats and my
Ay, akala ko with Kyle.
Of course,
Akala ko sasabihin niya, it's special na. Ay, oo.
Perfect. Hindi nyo
Totoo nga. Wala na. Wala na to, ma'am. Tigil na natin to, ma'am.
Sige, this time we want to know, what are your go-to karaoke songs? And if you're up for it, you can give us like a one-line sample lang. Kung hindi,
Ano kaya
okay
yan?
na yung kakat namin.
We're singing one. And we can build this street together.
Nothing's gonna stop us now pa talaga. Na para bang pangkimpaw ang kanilang love team na talaga. Love team na ba sila? Like, in-announce sila as love team?
Okay, so I also have a series of questions that I want to ask you. In the next Sinulog, would you rather perform or be an audience?
Okay, wait lang. Perform or be an audience?
Feeling ko ang audience, para makapag... Oo, feeling ko audience sila, para makapag-moment sila.
Experience to be on stage and see everyone.
Para makapag-moment sila, di ba? What do you think?
Sinulog yung sumama. Everyone goes on Fuente.
Imidora.
Walking all together.
Imidora naman pala.
Dancing, throwing
Sorry.
paint at each other.
Yeah.
It's just an experience talaga. You have to be part of it.
Yeah, that's true. As you
Yeah,
said
pero
na,
dikit na dikit ka
it's
talaga,
one of the
Kai.
biggest, if
Hala.
not the biggest
May
festival
jaya.
in the
May jaya.
Philippines.
Ano to?
nililipat
Jare.
yung logo. Ano yan? FX
Kyron
yan.
Parts.
Okay, next.
Hindi kasi
yung
kami rin
muna
talaga
naman
ako,
ang
I
susunod
swear.
dito. Okay, next question. Would you rather be in a full parade? Okay lang. Thank you so much, Kai. You're so sweet. Would you rather be in a full parade fit or comfy outfit lang?
Comfy, of course.
Well, you have to be in a parade fit eh. Pero sa akin, Parade fit kasi dito is literally just all white. Ako,
The paint goes to the white.
yeah. Mamaya, wala nang white sa katawan mo. As in.
Okay, so fusion lang siya ng dalawa. Okay, and when you're in Cebu, not necessarily in Sinulog, would you rather vlog all of your memorable moments or just live in the moment?
You know what? In fact, you're actually vlogging.
Oo nga! So I think we got our answer.
You answer.
Well, I'd love to live in the moment, but there's just sometimes that it's nice to bring out your camera so you can remember it.
Yeah.
Especially with the people that mean most to you, so memories.
So I just want to know, what is a song that you would like to perform in the future that you have not performed yet or you find challenging?
I have unreleased tracks. Siguro that I already, like when I wrote it, I imagined singing it on stage and had a lot of fun doing it. In my head, in my dreams. Pero
In
one
your
day,
dreams.
baka pag lumabas yan,
Thank you sa teaser. Okay, how about you guys? Ang cute ka naman.
Oh, sorry. Ang hirap naman i-ano yan. Nag-promote ni
Ang hirap sundan, no? Hindi, kaya mo yan.
wala ka lang akong pinapromote.
Mine is a song, like a random song.
Tinginan talaga sila.
The prayer daw.
Tama pa ba ito, ma'am?
With you. Ikaw yung
With
maglalaki.
you.
No.
Iba ang closest sila, ma'am. Hindi ko nakita yan kay Jared. Totoo.
Between mo lang.
Ang pinaka-sweet ko lang atang nakita sa kanila is nagduduet sila, nag-perform sila. Pero yung interview na ganito, sorry pero wala akong maalala. Kasi nagtitinginan sila, oh.
Because it's such a beautiful song.
Ala, ang gwapo pa naman ni Kyle. Ang lala.
Pag birthday yung lola ko.
Diba?
pwede ka-
Diba? Sana man lang doon siya tumingin si Kyle. Si Kyle, diba, sa nag-i-interview. Bakit kay Kyle? Charis! Bakit siya kay Kyle nakatingin, ma'am? Bakit ganun?
But yeah.
Diba? Tama ba ako? Mali ba ako, ma'am?
Yeah, between mo lang Nining.
Mali ba ako? Anyways. Oh my God. Yeah.
Thank you sa teaser. Okay, how about you guys? Ang cute ka naman.
Pinaka-Pilipiniana hala. Atake. May gigil si Kyle, no? Ay, ala, may moment talaga silang dalawa. Ayo. Ganda ni Kai, no? Ganda ni Kai. Ay, may edits na agad. Actually, very comfortable nga sila. Okay. Okay. Comfortable talaga sila. Anyways, that is all for today's video. From Kakail Compilation, this is Kibo Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!